So yun nga guys, galing akong tindahan kanina, naglakad lang ako. So, yung pinamili ko, yung lulutuin natin ngayong gabi, yung tuna. Ito yung tuna. Tapos, ang gagawin natin dyan, sangkutsa lang natin yan or lutuin lang natin yan, gisahin lang natin yan. Tapos, sausaw natin sa kubos. Tapos, si Pasin mamaya, pupunta dito, magdadala din siya ng pagkain niya. So, yun yung sausawan namin ng kubos. Tara, lutuin natin yung tuna. Yan, nabalatan na natin yung bawang. Hiwain lang natin siya na maliliit. Maliit na hiwa lang. Ano na si pirasong sibuyas. Dadamihan natin ng sibuyas yun kasi sarap sa kanya. Para mga may Indiano tayo. Ang masarap dito, maraming sibuyas. Yun nagpapasarap sa luto natin. Ito na yung tuna na gagamitin natin. Yung brand nito, Goody Light Meat Tuna. So, in sunflower oil po siya. So, wala siyang halong iba kundi sunflower oil lang. Kung sa atin, mayroon tayong Century dito. Ang masarap naman dito sa Saudi, Goody. Itapon natin yung kanyang mantika. Kasi hindi na naman natin gagamitin yun. Gisahin kasi natin siya. Yan, bawasan natin yung mantika niya. Ganun din dito sa isa. Ganun lang. Tapon na lang natin dyan sa may lababo natin. Pasalad lang natin siya ng konti kasi baka matapon din yung ibang maliliit na laman. Yan. Ayan. Buksan na natin. Yan. Yan ang ating tuna. Ito din. Yan. Ganyan siya. Yan. Pag ganyan ha, mainit na yung ating mantika. Natin. Kung mainit na ating mantika, lagyan na natin yan. Sabay-sabay na yan. Sibuyas bawang sabay. Haluin lang natin yan hanggang maging golden brown yung ating sibuyas at bawang. And after 2 minutes yan, pwede na yan. yesterday, right?
Yes.
The okra.
The okra.
And we have here 2 covers, brown covers, and another one white covers. So whatever we want, you can just only select. Really, bro? What time you sleep? Oh, you didn't sleep. Okay. Put it down, sir. Yeah. Now we have the leftover yesterday night, the okra. Have to see that video. Please like and share this video. Okay. And today we add the new dish. Is tuna. Is sauteed tuna. Yes. Sauteed and adding salt and pepper only. And no anything like any other flavors, because we like raw tuna and we don't want too much flavoring in this, because you know we are on diet. Okay, bro, which cubes you want?
Any of
You start with
this one.
brown cubes. Okay. One for you, one for me. I think it's not really.
It is not brown one.
Yeah, he said brown. This Bakala guy, no? Okay, we'll try this one first. Like that. Good, bro? Oh, normal one and no other flavor. Yeah, just explain what is.
This is tuna fish. So it's not. There is nothing inside. It's all raw. We have already added some oil. We just make a toss for the raw tuna. It's very good. You added little salt, right? You added little salt and little garlic and onion.
A lot of onion.
Lot of onion. You know, in any dish, onion will be a main source for a taste. You know, it's
the number one.
onion will make a main role
For the flavoring, right?
for the flavoring in any dish. Onion is our base, but it's good.
Okay, we will continue eating. Actually, this is 2 cans of tuna. It's a lot, bro. 2
Lot.
cans of tuna, a lot.
One can of tuna is sufficient for two guys. But I don't know why he added 2 cans.
I think it's not enough, bro. For one can is not enough. So I buy 2 and put it together.
It's good.
And that's it. This is our dinner for tonight. And you see, very simple. We eat only tubers. We don't eat rice. We are on diet. We are eat only fish, tuna, and vegetables. No meat, no chickens, and other cholesterol food. We don't like it now. We want to be fit guys now. Okay, that's it for tonight. And please like, subscribe, and share these videos. If you reach this timeline, just comment your place where you're at. Maybe where is your location at. Maybe you are in Canada or US. Just type in the comment section below. And see you for the next video. Bye bye.